Thanks for watching Crawl Off Road again. We just got done, well, I just got done installing the SuperAtv door insert kit, whatever you want to call it. Pretty happy with it. I think it was like $230, and it took me about like $230, somewhere around there. It took me about a half hour, so it's pretty simple to install. It just uses some of the existing screws, mounting holes. Like these are originally in the door, like these. You just take those out. It comes with a longer bolt you put in, and then two kind of self-tappers just to stabilize it. It comes with this rubber. I double layered it here because it kind of slants the way this bar. You can't really tell, but yeah, I guess you can kind of tell. It comes out to give the seat room. So little clamp on the back side to hold it. Nothing really rattling. Put a little piece here just to kind of close that gap in a little more. This door has been hard to shut ever since I bought it. You can tell it hits, these two nuts hit right here, and I've tried to adjust it, but this is the best I could come up with. But it works. Oh, and I fixed that door too, so it works now. No more Dukes of Hazzard. But I like it. It's getting colder. It'll definitely keep some wind off. It would be nice for that race too. Yeah, we're still getting ready for that. This is one of the things I wanted to do. I still need to do, I'm gonna get some like 5-point harnesses to put in here. I gotta take the windshield off, and I gotta have a fire extinguisher. I mean, I guess you don't have to, but they want you to. And take the windshield off because you have to wear a helmet, obviously. I have goggles on. This will be covered, I'm figuring, within a couple minutes. And you won't be able to see out of it. So we take that off. I think I'm gonna leave the back one on. You have to have a solid one-piece roof, which this is, so it'll be fine. Most guys just run like a flat piece of metal up there. But that'll be fine. Just take the windshield off, probably leave the back window on. I might take these off just because I feel like it's gonna be very destructive. There's a lot of other buggies trying to get in tight shit, so I don't want to break them off. So I might just take them off so I can put them back on. I already took the front ones off, and I like it with them off, so I'll leave them off. But yeah, and then I got some 30-inch tires and a 2-inch lift I wanted to put on, but I'm waiting on that because, like I said, I want to do this race with stock, everything stock. So I also want to upgrade the clutches and all that, but for now everything's stock. It's a lot of 4 high, so I'd really like to put the clutch in first, but that's one reason why I don't want to go up to 30s. 30s are great, will be awesome for like the low speed rock crawling, trail riding stuff that I do, but for this, there's a lot of really long hills in a lot of these tracks. So I assume there'll be one here. And not that I'm hurting power-wise, but I don't want to take any away by putting bigger tires in. It's already going to be hard on the belt. I know that, running 4-wheel drive flat out. So we're just going to do it all stock, and then I'll change the belt, the clutch, put the big tires on. Because I don't think I'm going to be like racing it all the time. This is just, I just want to try it once. And anyway, back to the doors. They fit nice. I mean, like you can see it, there's a little bit of a gap there, but everything else fits pretty nice. That is covered. This is a little bit of a gap up there, but it's gonna really cut the wind out. Yeah, and that door works perfectly now. Put some oil on it. What happened is there's 2 bolts inside of here, and they're Allen bolts, and they just thread into a nut that's welded on back there. You can kind of see them sticking out. They just back clear out, and we're just laying in there. And I took all these screws out, popped that off, put them back in, oiled it all up, tightened the crap out of them, So no more Dukes of Hazzard. I might just still jump in it anyway. But that's it. Oh, and we blacked out the wheels just because. I think it looks pretty cool. Yeah, and I'll have another ride video coming out. Hopefully it's going to be a good one. Tomorrow we're headed north up in the PA. We're going to Mountain Ridge ATV park. It looks like a pretty cool place. We're gonna, we're going for the black trails. We're gonna try to hit as many as we can. We're just going up for the day, so I don't know if we'll get them all, but definitely gonna get Big John. I know that's kind of one of their main trails as far as the black trails go. So that'll be pretty cool. My dad's gonna take, he bought a brand new CF Moto 600 four-wheeler. He's gonna take that, and yeah, that'll be his first real ride on that, so we'll see how it does. Pretty beastly thing. You'll get to see it tomorrow. And the girls will be riding. Emma will be riding her KO. And Lily will be on the SSR. So should be a nice trip. Definitely get the video made up. I don't think I'll have it in time for Moto Monday, but we'll get it out. That's it. Let me know what you think about these. Hashtag SuperAtv. Good stuff. Not sponsored, but they can hit me up. So that's what's going on. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification button so when we get the Mountain Ridge video put up, it'll be a good one. You don't want to miss it. And let me know if anybody's been to Mountain Ridge. Looks like a pretty cool place. But that's it. We'll see you on the next one.